Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today, I want to show you a typical day in my life. We all have routines, right? They help us stay organized. Let's explore mine together. My day usually starts at 7 a.m. My alarm goes off, and I wake up slowly. I like to stretch in bed for a minute. It feels good. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. This helps me wake up. After that, I comb my hair. Now I feel ready. Next is breakfast, my favorite part of the day. First, I make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee. For food, I toast slices of bread and fry an egg. I also eat some fruit like an apple or a banana. I sit at the table and eat. Sometimes, I read the news on my tablet. It's a very peaceful morning. After breakfast, I get dressed. I always check the weather forecast. Today is sunny, so I'm wearing a light shirt. I grab my bag, put on my shoes, and leave the house at 8:30. I always lock the door, safety first. I walk to my office. The walk takes about 20 minutes. I love this part of the day because I can see the park and the local shops. Sometimes I listen to music. I arrive at 9 a.m. I say hello to my colleagues and go to my desk. First, I check my emails and reply to messages. Then I look at my planner. I have a lot of things to do today. At 11 a.m. did I take a short break. I drink some tea and talk with my friend, Sarah. At 12:30, it's lunchtime. I go to the cafeteria. Today, I'm having a chicken salad. I sit with my friends, Tom and Lisa. We talk and laugh together. It's a nice break from work. I finish work at 5 p.m. On my way home, I stop at the supermarket. I buy some vegetables and pasta for dinner. I get home at 6 p.m. First, I put away the groceries. Then I cook dinner. Tonight, I'm making spaghetti. It's easy and delicious. The kitchen smells great. After dinner, I relax. I like to read a book or watch a TV show. It's important to have time for yourself. At 10 p.m., I start my night routine. I wash my face and brush my teeth again. Then I get into bed and read for a few minutes. It helps me fall asleep. I turn off the light at 11 p.m. Good night. That is my daily routine. What about you? Do you have a favorite hobby? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.